Welcome. Today I will be teaching you how to use the expense management feature of Trackerpal. First, after logging into the app with the proper credentials, tap on the expenses icon. Once you have done so, you will see two options titled Expenses and Tour Expenses. Tap on Tour Expenses. Doing this opens up a form with an auto-generated tour number and user designation. The important things to do are to fill out the visited place bar and selecting the cost center. Now, this is where things diverge, so fast forward to whichever section you need assistance with. First, we have the travel subform. In this form, you will fill out the following details: the date of travel, the starting point, the destination, the mode of travel you have decided to take, a brief description on it, the distance you have traveled, and the amount you have spent on this journey. Let's say 1000 rupees. Now we will take a picture. You are allowed to take multiple pictures if need be. Once you have done that, submit it by clicking on Add Travel Expenses. Second, we have the accommodation subform. In this form, it is necessary to fill in the date of check-in, the date of checkout, location in which the hotel resides, some details about the hotel, the amount you have spent while staying there, and some picture identification. And then we submit it as accommodation expenses. Next, we have the TAD category. Basically, this is the amount of money you spend on food. Again, will be in Sapphire Hotel. Let's see, I think we had a McDonald's takeout. Average amount for a single person, about 20 rupees. And there is the proof. And there we go. Next, we will add some miscellaneous expenses not covered by these forms. Here we wanted our data card refilled, so we took some money and we filled it in for 400 bucks. We have nothing to say about that. And now we can add miscellaneous expenses. The final subform is the cab form. Here we have to decide a date on it. We have the cab. Again the 12th. We've hired it from Sapphire Hotel to the company HQ, Newtel. We spend, well, cabs overpriced these days, so 100 bucks on it. Now we're going to take a bunch of flash photos, and now we can add cab expenses since we have filled out the form. Now all you have to do is tap on submit expenses to submit your tour expense list, and easy as that. Now if you want to view the expense list you have submitted, tap on expenses and filter your search. Select your expense category, and now you will see any requests that are pending for approval. Thank you, and I wish you a great day ahead.